I'm going to be showing you how to make an origami bird. First, you're going to start out by folding it so you can make it a square, which I hope all of you know how to do. And then you're going to fold over the excess paper and crease it a couple times, which I already did. And tear it off. And then you're going to turn it the other way. And so you should have a crease down the side. And then you're going to fold it the other way. Crease it. And you're going to hold it like a square. You're going to fold it in half. Crease it. Do it the other way. And crease it. Then, so now you have a cross and an X. So you're going to make it so it looks like a triangle. You're going to hold that triangle with the point, the open point towards you, and you're going to take these flaps, tuck it like this, see that, and push it down. Then you're going to do the same with this flap. Take it and push it down. Now you have this, and you're going to take these flaps and fold them like this. And fold them like this, both sides. There goes my excess paper. And do it again. Okay, now you have this, and you're going to unfold these flaps, and this was just so it makes it easier to do the next step. You do this, and this is the tricky part. It's called the petal fold, and you do this. Sorry, I'm trying to do this backwards. And then this. Now, so you have that. Look at kite. And flip it over. And do the same thing. You have this, like a kite, both sides. And then this. Same on all four sides. Flip it over. Same thing. The cameraman just threw a rock at me. Fold it again. Now you have this, a skinny kite, and you're going to take these flaps and hold it like this. And now, last but not least, take the flaps, put them up like this, squeeze, take the flap, put it up like this, squeeze, and then if you make a head like this, you can just bend it down. And it's optional, but if you want, leave it like that, or you can just pull these flaps a little to make it a body. And there's your origami bird.